Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.